Hello. I am Alisha Richard and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the ultimate place for content creators, business owners, and coaches who are looking to build a personal brand with short form video. So I will be talking all about how to record faceless short form video. If this is your first time joining the YouTube channel, remember to subscribe so that you won't miss any more videos like this. One of the first things that you could do to record a faceless short form video is to actually film in different locations. Film of maybe an office building or your office or your kitchen, and really just take the video camera and just film like just different things that are going on around you. Film the beach or the ocean or the mountains or even your local city. So depending on what your content is, you may want to film just maybe even your dog. So think about creative ways that you could really film different aspects of your life, right? Maybe you want to record your outfit and do a voiceover of maybe how you are putting your business outfit together, or maybe you want to do your shoes or even your makeup. These faceless videos could be videos that you are recording that maybe different moments throughout your day that don't necessarily require your face. If you want to know how we could do this more, then leave a comment below and say, yes, I want more. If you want more examples on how to record your faceless video. If you really are looking to grow a personal brand, people need to hear your voice and they also need to see your face. So don't just shy away from the camera all the way, especially if you are building a business that is attached to your name and to your brand. So remember, these are just simple ideas on how you could do faceless short form videos. So these tips are only if you have a lazy day and you don't feel like putting on your makeup, or you don't feel like getting dressed or recording content throughout the day. The next type of faceless video that you could record is a hand-only video. Since if you are a baker and you are baking your favorite cake, you may want to just take the camera and put it on your hands only when you are doing this tutorial. The next thing you may want to do is, say for instance, if you are showing your viewers how to use a specific app, then you may want to just take your phone out and then just maybe do the demonstration with your hands only. Then what to do is record some sort of B-roll where you actually have your second camera or a camera looking over your shoulder while your hands may be scrolling social media, and then you could do a voice over there. So option number 2 is to do a hands only video where it is really just your hands in the video and that's it. The next type of faceless video that you could have is a carousel video. Now, this is where you may have motivational or inspirational text, like an Instagram carousel, and then that way you may be reading it out, or you could just have a voiceover explaining what that carousel is. About a creative way where you could have a carousel within your video, and then you are doing the voiceover, and you are giving your viewers a different perspective on maybe how that carousel is. So what I really want to encourage you to do is really get creative when it comes to creating your content online. And then these faceless videos could be something that you may want to do on Friday or one of your lazy days when you really don't feel like creating content. If you enjoyed any part of this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss out on any more amazing content like this. And I am Alisha Richard.